This video is called What is an Accredited Specialist? Now sometimes people will ask me, aren't all lawyers accredited specialists? No, they're not. Only a small portion of lawyers in New South Wales are accredited specialists. An accredited specialist is a lawyer who has at least 5 years of experience in a particular field of law. So it may be in criminal law, property law, family law, or another area of law, who has undergone a further course of study and peer assessment. So you need to undertake a course and be assessed by your peers. So it may be by a magistrate or by an experienced lawyer. And if you do get your accredited specialisation, so if the Law Society do say you're good enough and experienced enough to be an accredited specialist, then you need each year to get re-accredited. So you need to do further lectures or you need to do further studies to keep your accredited specialisation up every single year. So it's someone who has a fair bit of experience in a particular area of law and who's recognised by other people in the profession. So it's a person who will be respected by the legal profession, by magistrates, by judges, by prosecutors, by other lawyers, and that can carry a fair bit of clout in court. Now, in order to see whether someone is an accredited specialist, the easiest way is just to go on the Law Society website, and on the right hand side of the home page it will say find a lawyer. You put the surname of your lawyer in there and also their location, so for example Sydney, and it'll come up with their date of admission, so the date that they first became a lawyer, and also at the top there it'll write whether they're accredited in any particular area of law. Now if I were to have a legal problem, for example a family law problem, the first thing that I would do if I didn't know certain lawyers and which ones are good and which ones aren't as good would be to go on the Law Society website and see which ones are accredited specialists. Then I'd ring them up and see whether they can help me the best, whether they offer a free first appointment, and get a feel of them. I'd go in for appointments and I'd see whether this person knows their stuff, knows the way forward, and has the confidence and the ability and the experience to be able to do what I'd like them to do in my case.